Hello and welcome to the video lecture associated with data availability. So realize that you can store all the data you want. If people can't get to it, it's useless. Alright? So one of the things we need to be able to do is to ensure that our data is available to our users. We have to protect against hardware failures. So again, some kind of redundancy for fault tolerance. The amount of resources you put into that is associated with how much money you have to spend. So you can have a RAID 10 system and never have to worry about it going down, or you don't have enough money for that, so you're going to get into some kind of fault tolerant scenario. How to reduce the loss of data, how to prevent human error, how to reduce or control the amount of maintenance downtime, how to handle and deal with network problems. Careful traffic monitoring. We need to know what data is going in and what data is going out. We have to deal with firewalls, we have to deal with routers. So why is this so important? Let's look at the cost of downtime. And again, this is really just trying to point out the fact that downtime is expensive. So, for instance, if you're a retail brokerage house, if you're down for an hour, you're talking about the loss of $6.5 million. Credit card sales. If you're unable to process credit card purchases, a particular company might lose $2.6 million an hour. Right? We're talking large expenses for not being able to get to your data or not being able to update your data. And again, so if we talked about the cost of downtime, when our availability is 3 nines, we're still talking about $8,000 a year in costs associated with the 5 minutes that we're down. If we're 2 nines, right, 99.99%, you can see the cost starts to go up exponentially. And I'm sure you can look up on the internet when you get into Six Sigma and is 99% good enough. You can see how that relates to the availability. But that ends my video lecture on data availability, and that also ends my video lectures for Chapter 11.